Hi everyone, it's Susie from ACR Training, and today I'm going to step you through the new payroll year-end procedure. You'll notice the steps have changed slightly, but still keep an eye out for the step-by-step instructions that we send to your email. Okay, so payroll year-end should be completed sometime after your final June pay, but before your first July pay. So to get started, the first step is to complete the last June dated pay. That means any pay that falls on a date in June. After you do this pay run, it's important not to close the month off by running the PAYG withholding report, as we'll cover that further on in the process. So to get started, after you've run your pay run, the next step will be to print the PAYGW annual report in preview mode. So you'll go to your payroll menu, reports, and you'll find PAYGW annual report. And make sure you press print preview report. Now when you press this, the system does conduct a few checks on your employees to make sure they're set up sufficiently. So you could get an error, for example, if an employee has an allowance amount but no allowance description. You'll just be given the opportunity to tidy that up in the employee file. And I'll print the report to screen for you to view. Okay, so you'll have your preview report with each employee and their amounts for the year. And it's important that you go through and triple check and make sure all the amounts are correct. Now, if your fringe benefit tax, this column here, or your extra super amounts are incorrect, I'll show you now how to fix those up. So you'll go out of the reports menu into the maintenance menu and bring up the employee in question. To fix the extra super, you can go into your entitlement section and make a manual adjustment and save it. Same as with the fringe benefit tax, it's just under the PAYG summary button, and you can change that amount as well. And save. So you just need to make sure they're all correct. After you've done any changes, it's recommended to go and run that preview report again, so you can confirm the figures are 100% accurate and they have updated. Okay, so the next step after that is closing the month of June. So you just do that as per the normal process and run your PAYG withholding report. Just get a prompt to make sure you've run your preview report and confirmed the details, which we have, so we can continue on and continue on with the month end. I'll print the report to screen, and there's your summary. If that is all correct, you'll get the reprint question, so you can press yes to reprint, no to clear the data if it's correct, or abort to exit out and make any amendments. So in this case, we'll clear the data. And that's June closed off. And now we're going to send off those figures to the tax office by printing the annual report in actual mode. You'll get a copy for yourself to screen with the exact same figures that were in the preview report. And then you'll get the single touch payroll declaration that you can tick as a confirmation to electronically transmit the information to the ATO. And then you should get a successful message that it's queued to inject into the document exchange and pass that detail over. Okay, so once that's done, you can close the financial year off and get so you're ready to process your first July pay. So all you need to do is run the payroll year-end reset. Year-end reset payroll under tasks, and you can run through and one by one update the system and archive the information. And once it's complete, you'll see the status up the top has changed to complete, and you can quit out. And that is ready to go and process a July pay as now. You'll notice we didn't need to print the PAYG payment summaries for your employees. They'll be able to access this information on their MyGov account or by contacting the tax office. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions at all, please give us a call, and good luck.